Welcome to Noel. I like this tree because it's the tree that I get to shake. And so they don't recommend you do this in the Melrose showroom, but I get to do these kind of things. I like it because everything here dangles, everything reflects light, and all of the ornaments, even these very elegant ornaments like these right here that are trending for us and are selling hot on this tree recipe. Beautiful. They have an end on them that reminds me of musical instruments and horns, perfect for the holiday season. You can tie them with your fishing line, one a little higher than the other, gives it that artistic look that you're looking for. But again, that color, that light butterscotch color, that gold color, everything on this tree is very elegant, and there's a mix of many different gold finishes here. These ornaments are doing fantastically. This one is incredible, and this icicle drop has that nice goldish butterscotch color at the top. It swirls and comes down to the end where it is actually translucent. And then I'm going to have Erin show you all the way down here these cute little icicle drops that have that color right around the middle. These are doing fantastically for us. There's actually two sizes, a longer one, and the one you're looking at right now is just a little bit of our shorter one. These are the ornaments that people are picking off of this tree. These are the ones that people are ordering the heaviest. And there's two other elements that I want to show you in this tree that you just absolutely cannot miss, and that's our secret angels. And so we have two angels here. One of us holding a bird in her left hand, one is holding a little bird in her right hand. They are wearing white long dresses, but you see a little bit of that soft gold on the roses on the edges of every part of the dress. Beautiful angels. They are fit right into our tree. I think I'd like to call them our secret angels.